Hello everyone, this is Success Infotech. In today's video, I want to talk to you about keyboard layout, okay, and how we can change the keyboard layout from the UK QWERTY keyboard to the US QWERTY keyboard in Windows 11, okay. So if we say keyboard layout, it's basically the arrangement of keys on a computer or a typewriter keyboard. That is keyboard layout, okay. And different regions and languages have their own keyboard layouts, okay, to accommodate the specific characters and symbols used in those languages. So that's basically what keyboard layout is about. Okay, so let me show you one of the keyboard layout, which is the QWERTY keyboard, mostly used in most of the English speaking countries. Okay, so let me show you one of the QWERTY keyboard, how it looks like. So let me bring the on-screen keyboard. Okay, so how can we identify this keyboard as a QWERTY keyboard? Okay, you can identify it by the spelling of the QWERTY. You can see from here, QWERTY. So this keyboard is a QWERTY keyboard. The same way if it's a QWERTY keyboard, you can see the spelling from here, okay, and arrangement of the keys. So you can see QWERTZ or Z. That is the QWERTY keyboard. So it's the arrangement of keys on the keyboard, okay, that identifies the keyboard layout, okay. So let me show you one thing, then we proceed. On the UK QWERTY keyboard, okay, layout, when you press the Shift+2, it's not going to give you the @ sign, okay, like the US QWERTY keyboard. It's going to give you the quotation sign, okay. And when you press the Shift+3, it's not going to give you the hash sign on the US keyboard. It's going to give you the euro sign, okay, on the UK keyboard. So we are going to change the UK keyboard layout to the US keyboard layout, okay. But before we get into this, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified with videos like this. I really appreciate that, okay. So to get started, you click on Start and then you click on Settings. Then at the left pane, you click on Time and Language. Then at the right pane, you click on Language and Region. So this is the default language I have, okay, United Kingdom English, okay. So this is the default language I have. So now I want to change my default keyboard layout from the UK to the US, okay. So I'll click on these three dots, then I'll click on language options. So it gives me the language option. You can see from here, English, United Kingdom. So I'll scroll down. So let me remove this. So I'll scroll down, okay. Then I'll see keyboards. Okay, so installed keyboards for language specific key layouts and input options. So my default keyboard layout is United Kingdom UK QWERTY, okay. So we are going to remove this UK QWERTY and bring our US QWERTY keyboard, okay, to suit our @ sign, the hash sign, the other symbols we want to use. So to do that, you click on Add a keyboard. So here you can see the available keyboard layouts. So we'll scroll down, and now we can see the US QWERTY keyboard. So we click on that. So now you see it has brought the US QWERTY keyboard. So we have two keyboard layouts, okay. So I can remove this keyboard and then it will left with only this US keyboard layout, which is the QWERTY. So to make these changes take effect, you have to first restart your machine, or you have to restart your laptop, whether it's a laptop or a desktop. You have to restart it before it can take effect. So let me try and see with my sticky notes if it has already taken effect. Voila. So it has already taken effect because I deleted the UK keyboard layout. So it's left with only one keyboard layout. So there's no need for me to do a restart. But if you are maintaining those two keyboard layouts, you have to do a restart of the machine and change it to the US keyboard layout. And then you'll be good to go with your keyboard layout. So basically, you can change the keyboard layout on your machine without doing a new installation or without running a fresh installation on your machine. Okay. So thank you for watching this video, and please do well to hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified with videos like this. Okay. Thank you and bye bye.